Hello fiber friends and polycrafters. This is Crystal at Maddie Makes, and this is a Hobby Lobby yarn haul. Hobby Lobby is marking things down 75% off, and I just had to get in on the fun and build up my stash, and hopefully I don't have to buy any more yarn this year. We will see. I hit 2 stores and there was very different things at each store. So if you have a couple stores near you, you might want to hit both of them. I'm just going to run you through real quick what I got. Scrubology. They were $4.49 and on sale for $1.12. And I got 4 of those in 2 different colors. I think this is probably one of the greatest things. This is a merino. I see it, 100% merino superwash. Normally $14.99, on sale for on clearance for $3.74. Sadly, he was all by himself. I got 2 of these lovely oranges. Evidently, I really love this color because I got 5 of them. Yeah. This guy, the white with the bright color patches, got 2 of those. This is awesome ombre, blue skies, and it's a blend. It is acrylic nylon wool blend. It's just so super soft, and it was blue, and I am doing a few hats for Hat Not Hate. I need to get those mailed in middle of July, and it is the 21st of June now, so we're going to get on that. But I thought those would be absolutely beautiful for Hat Not Hate. $5.99 on sale. Wow, for $1.49. So grab 4 of those. This stack here is pretty much all yummy yummy sock yarns. This is Color Idol, and I've got several colors here. This is Power Surge. This is 50% merino, nylon, and some acrylic in there. Number 1. So this is pretty much what I'm going to use for sock yarn this year. So I got this bright, it's called Neon Watermelon. So cool. Got 3 of those. The magenta, 4 of those. Power Surge, love the name, 4 of those. 6 of this Limelight. Sadly, only 2. This lovely orange color looks better in person than it does in camera. Orangeology, and this one's L is for lemon. Got 2 of those. 3 of these, and I believe, what's it called? Frosty Mint. And 5 of the darker blue. And that is called Lapis Stone. And it does kind of look like lapis. Okay, I didn't get many acrylics. Not really hardcore on acrylics, but I had to get this super soft. Lovely 2 of these, the Wild Streak Teal Purple. And it was normally $4.99, on sale for $1.24. And then I got 2 of the Peacock. Yay. And these were ice cream yarns. Had to, they were so cute. This is also 100% acrylic, $4.99, on sale for $1.24. And this is pistachio. Yes. I think if you knit it up, it'd look almost like a light camo. Could be fun and good. Okay, 100% cotton. Normally $5.99, on sale for $1.49. It's a Sugar Wheel, it's City Beats. 2 of those. And this lovely thing sitting behind here. Oh, it's a gorgeous cake. Rainbow Rhapsody in Sapphire Blue. Normally $8.99, on sale for $2.24. 2 of those, yes. And found myself totally lucky picking up bamboo. Beautiful, normally $4.99, on sale for $1.24. Color Papaya. And half cotton, half the viscose, which is bamboo. Got 6 of those. Hopefully I can get a sweater out of that, probably a short sleeve. There's only 6 of them. This beautiful lineup are cotton blends. Sadly, there was only one of this lovely bright rainbow number. But these are 4 weights, washable, made in Turkey, blah, blah, blah. Normally $5.99, on sale for $124. What's this one called? I have no idea what this one's called. Anyway, it's 47% cotton, 53% acrylic. Got one in the brights. This does look like orange sherbet. We're just gonna go with it. Lionbrand.com. I know I'm looking right over the name. You're probably seeing it and going, it's this. Oh, it's orange. So that makes that rainbow. Okay, so 6 of the orange, 3 of the chocolate. Of course it's called chocolate. 3 of the blueberry. Really like that. And 4 of the lime, and I think I bought all they had of these. I am making egg collecting aprons, and they need something solid, something with the cotton nice and stiff. So this will work out really nice for that. Especially the orange, I have enough of. 100% cotton. This was awesome. This is all I could find in the stores on that. And this is cotton candy. And 2, 4, 6, 7 of those. And they were 94 cents on clearance. Totally crazy. More cotton, lovely goodness. Sadly, there's only one of those. It's very pretty. This would be great for, well, you could do a hat out of it, maybe a little stiff, or a nice shawl, or a shirt. I was thinking shirts. This one's called High Alert, normally $8.99, on clearance for $2.24. So one of High Alert, 2 of Eternal Indigo. This one kind of has a pinky haze to it. Elegant Eggplant. And I had to have 3 of these because they look like blue jeans. I loved it. Bittersweet. More in the cotton blend loveliness. Definitely thinking sweaters, right? As I've got, ooh, you see this, 2, 4, 6, 8 of these. It's avocado. And like a lovely sweater. Originally $5.99, on sale for $149. It's a number 3 weight. Super, super soft. So it's a cotton acrylic, other blend of the others, those little bitty things. In the light gray, I've got 7 of them in the light gray. And then this, a little different, color Dove. Blended Bliss, $4.99, so for $124. This is soft as well. More smooth soft than fuzzy soft. Blended Bliss. There we are. So it's a cotton acrylic polyamide blend. Number 1 weight. And I have 5 of the gray and 5 of green eyes. And that was it. That was it. Now I have to find out where I'm going to put them all. And I'm going to be knitting socks forever, but there's nothing wrong with that, especially when you're knitting with yummy, yummy goodness. Well, see you, fiber fans. Bye.